When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you gave to me makes my heart beat. When I find this is fly away, but my feeling makes me stay. I see the fire in your eye, it makes my heart beat. Do it, listen to it, night and day. You're my old-time lover. Do it, listen to it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my old-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Yeah, let's go, let's dance. Sigue. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a total dove. Love's the game that we play night and day. When our love is pure and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in our hearts night and day. Do it, listen to it, night and day. You're my old-time lover. Do it, listen to it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my old-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my clover. Yeah. That's deep. Love is a burning fire, stay. 'Cause then the flames grow higher, burn. Don't let us steal your heart. You see, girl, this game can last forever. Why? We cannot live together to ride. Yeah. Don't let him take your love from me. You're the beauty that you see, brother Louis. I'm in love, set so free, oh so soul to me. All in love, sweet and hard, brother Louis. All in love, paradise, oh she's sold to me. Brother Louis, oh she's sold to me. All let it Louis, just all the lover. Brother Louis, oh just Louis. So let it Louis, just all the lover. Stay, 'cause they will want to gamble, stay. Love more than he can handle, girl. A come will stay by me forever, ever. Why? The seagull won't pretending that his love is never ending, babe. Don't let us steal your love from me. You're the beauty that you see, brother Louis. I'm in love, set to free, oh she's sold to me. All in love, sweet and hard, brother Louis. All in love, paradise, oh she's sold to me. Brother Louis, oh she's sold to me. All in Louis, she's on the cover. Brother Louis, oh do this to me. So let it Louis, 'cause I'm a lover. I'll feel you when you emotion, heal you when you cry. I'll be your loving doctor of the night. Do you wanna take me tonight? Do you wanna make big night? Do you wanna, if you wanna take her to me? Do you wanna make it right? Do you wanna have us tonight? sakit at gendong, manisan ng tani gendong. Entah suplai kasuri, iman tiba imawang, dasi kakamayari. Oh la la, mana tampang, amin tampang, hinuntan sa ulo nila Nintendo. Mana ubab, halimikam, hinuntan sa prupa nila nilikaw. Nambal bay ka mga tao, nasublay kinagkataw, inuntagkan sa FB, halos biman bigkaraw, nasa pulo na musulit, nasa baba na bogulit, nasa pulo paginugod, nasa baba na pelepo, tabi at tabi sa bingo ka, kinayong mawag na pimtantalo, nasa nakakapong kasuri, basi ka pa nakakadiri, saba na pera, saba na angel, saba na monapik, saba na plastic, saba na satan, saba na monapik, nanti mamalo pag-uuman ng talo. Mana tampang, amin tampang, hinuntaran sa ulo nila Nintendo. Mana upang, halimikang, hinuntaran sa prupa nila milikang. Sana all na naman isag, sana all na naman musulik, sana all nagpapansin, sana all na lang di kaya. Dagan na kulay apel santa, pila kasi baba, pila pagkutanda, mana kasi babo, pila kasi abo, dagan na may bingkang kusang kapamasa, bala-bala matag, aming kataw, pakilig sa sexy na pimbuso, pag-ibalik tenten, matamakan, matapos sa namin, pinapinantana. Mana tampang, aming tampang, hinuntan sa ulo nila Nintendo. Mana upang, halimikang, hinuntan sa prupa nila nilikang. Mana tampang, ang requested song po. Okay, tayo. Awan kong dinukmaan, on ka ay ayaman. Itarong tama us with song Dangerous Loco. Hold her tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. Hey! You got your vibe, you take control. You're moving into my heart and into my soul. Get out my way, get out my sight. I won't be walking on thin ice to get you tonight. Hey, what you want? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. All the time, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hit like it. You know she's a little bit dangerous. You turn around, so hot and dry. You're hiding under a halo. Your mind is alive. Get out my way, get out my sight. I'm not attracted to go deeper tonight. Hey, what you want? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. All the time, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hits like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. What you are, what's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Come on, all the time, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hits like it. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Oh, dangerous. Yeah, and I say, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? I'll give one more time, and I say, yeah, I see, hey, what's going on? Let's go! Come on, LBI family! Woo! 25 years and my life is still trying to get up this quick big love home for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of men. For whatever that means. Inside cries sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out. What's in my head tonight? I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and take a deep breath. I can get high and I see the top of my lungs. What's going on? Everybody say, and I say, got some that? Yeah, I see that, I see that, I see that. What's going on? One more time, and I say, I see that, what's going on? What's in my head? I'm feeling a little peculiar. 'Cause I wake up in the morning and I step outside, and I can take a deep breath and get real high, and I see the top of my lungs. What's going on? I get it set and I say, hesitate, what's going on? One more time, and I say, Yan sa request niyo po, Budots. Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray. amor de ang diyan tugan. Ay, ikaw dasaw, paris tam syempre on the phone. Ay, ikaw dasaw, bangit kasam syempre on the phone. Tantas ang emara, wadareno ular, o amor faz perder encontrar. La paristaré ao lembrar deste amor, por dia instante foi. Ai, ai, ai. Que ang dia não soube cuidar. Tan pareció realidad y el amor al momento que fica no hay. Tonight we dance, I lay my life in your hands. We take the floor, nothing is forbidden anymore. Don't let the world get on outside, but let time go and go by. Nothing can stop us tonight. Bailamos, let the rhythm take you over. Bailamos, te quiero, amor mío. Bailamos, when I live this life forever. Bailamos, te quiero, amor mío. Te quiero. Rimuaran de talent lima. Tonight I'm yours. We can make it happen, I'm so sure. I won't let it go. There is something I think that you should know. I won't believe in your side. We gotta dance through the night. I want to reach for the stars. Bailamos, let the rhythm take you over. Bailamos, te quiero, amor mío. Bailamos, Tanginamina, awak kwarta. Tanginamina, waka waka, tanginamina sa kaliwa. It's time for Africa. Tanginamina, waka waka, tanginamina sa kaliwa. It's time for Africa. Aliso, agit. Extension, sir. Mag-extend ka mo. Okay po. So another extension daw po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Maray. Araw-gabi, walang anay. Ay, kabaw. Ang dagitadan na tamaan lang, so dudag sa salan. Okay, another requested song. Idublimik ka naman po dahil Dangerous. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. Once again, Miss Juana Macaranas, all the way from Batak, Ilocos Norte. You back your back, you take control. You're moving into my heart and into my soul. Get out my way, get out my sight. I won't be walking on taillights to get through the night. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hits like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. You turn around, so hot and dry. You're hiding under a halo. Your mouth is alive. Get out my way, get out my sight. I'm not attracted to go deeper tonight. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hits like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hits like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Oh, dangerous. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late, hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a corner, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. masih may sama tapong cha-cha requested song. Banong kayang te? Okay. Yeah. Cha-cha. Para po sa nag-request ng bikining ngiting. Cha-cha! Sa iyong inaakala, nalimot na kita. Gayong ako ay laging tapat sa'yo sinta. Buhat nang mawala ka, sana'y malaman mo, mahal pa rin kita. Hinarap ka sa disco, beer house at restaurant. Ako yan, mayroong nakapagsabi, ika'y nasa Japan. Ako'y namumulila ng 6 na buwan. Dahil mahal kita, alang-alang sa'yo, magtitiis ako. Ang iniingat-ingatan ko, kaisa-isang pagsa Huwag sanang sungkitin, boxer mong itim na tinaramiti. Okay, now the dance floor. And tonight has come, oh yeah, and the light is on, and the moon is the only light I see. No, I won't be afraid, no, no, I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, say Nung bata pa ako, tinuruan ako ng lolo ng tango. Bukirumba, itinuro na tatay ko. Pinagsama-sama ko kaya ako ngayon bibong-bibo. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Toto'y Bibo. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Lagi akong niyayaya tuwing may pesta, bentang-benta. Lahat lumulo ang mata, pag ako'y nakikita ang palapitan na. It's a bird, it's a plane, oh, it's only me. Remember and remember me, Toto'y Bibo. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong sabes que te quiero, no te aprovechas, no sabes que te adoro. Me tratas mal, es que estás derecho, pero sabes que me caro. Un día torcido, me pongo loca. Últimamente pasando, no tienes tiempo, no estoy vivo. Me estás pasando, estás entero. Te tienen cuenta, te digo. Tantos detalles estás pasando. Si no quisieras, si eres tuyo. Te dejo todo, todo. Haces mi corazón. Esos belos momentos, todo, todo. Tus vidas son legs, todo, todo. El pelo de tu cuerpo, todo, 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 todo. Con tu sonrisa, todo, todo. Todo lo que cuentas, todo, 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 todo. Y ya sé cómo adorarte, sin olvidarte, dejarte aprender. Cha, cha. Nabanot na yun ba? Surrender na. Porque sabes que te quiero, no te aprovechas, no sabes que te adoro. Me tratas mal, es que estás derecho, no sabes que me caro. Un día torcido, me pongo loca. Últimamente, ¿qué estás pasando? No tienes tiempo, no estoy vivo. No estás pasando, te estás entero. Te tienen cuenta, te digo. Tantos detalles estás pasando. Si no prefieres, si eres tuyo. Te dejo todo, todo. Así es mi corazón. Esos belos momentos, todo, todo. Tus vidas son legs, todo, todo. El fuego de tu cuerpo, todo, todo. Tu sonrisa, todo, todo. Todo, todo. Todo, todo. Todo, todo. Pero acudo. Ayan atay, utso-utso. Nagorek-garot ta ako Kantak lang nga po di may isang request pa bago tayo manan apo apan di utso-utso ken 13-13.
7-7.
Ayan, so dito apo nga request yukot kantan talang apo agangas tayo pa'y basit apo man. Makaang-angki taksa pa yun. Okay, laglagi pa mawanti nagkurang kapon karo diversion. Para po di karuba kayo tagtagaray. Maminsa pala kayo. Karuba composed by Mr. and Mrs. Carda, duo Sweet Blend. Thank you po. Basta dyan maaklon, panakabukaw ko, kakaiso na nga lakay ko. Jakman ninamnama, ama sulisok ka, bayat iaabrot ko. Napigsaman gaya, day tatubeng mo, no agaramit ka't nilulugo. Di mo pinanunod, dagit ikaw kawil ko, arakop ko ken Nunaragsak ka keni karuba may dugmam kalakuman ngem no dumteng tu aldo nga agbisinta kilaban jakton may panamnaman nunam naman sikapet sublianak awakem daytoy bislang laglagi pen sunat nakautang kanyak iti 10,000 gabut talik anak pa'y duma ngem inis kam na aray ko pakak ngem diin subadyo siya kuntay niluka pusok ke nasugatan aray ko pakak apkes ken panaas tinaklinakam wakay ama ng alilaw kayo ako kadagiti karuba nunaragsak ka dita karuba lumnag kaila kuman ngem no dumteng tu aldo nga agbisin ka arasaw may paay kuntuken ka unang naman hati na kun ka sa bulan hitaka pinikaruba laglagi pen laglag kalata awan pa'y nagbaliwan daytoy kwarta nga nasa pula ni karubat nagsagra aray ko pakak ngem diin subadyo sikay nga duwan ang limo pusok ke nasugatan aray ko pakak sikayon tinaganas tay kwarta nga nasa pula wakay ama ng alilaw hapkes ken panaas hingay tumalakam sikay nga duwan ket ang yeah, so kita po dagiti kanta lang po awan ti sa balay nga makapay pamananat. Thank you so much po. Yeah. Anaapog sala tayo manan. Nabannog din sa nabannog kay pay mama da inhaler ko to. Ilocano pay ma'am. Sige po. Anya ti kayo po dagitay kasla di kinantak. Dagitay kasjay ka no. Ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko, Uncle. Arak ka no, arak. Wala, Uncle. Ay, wala. Okay, so another requested song po. Ay, di ko nang post me, ma'am. When si Kalaing po. Sige po, ma'am. Thank you po. Okay, so another requested song. When si Kalaing, composed by the Sweet Blend, Mr. and Mrs. Starda Duo. Thank you po. Yeah, so Another piece for all mo. Para kadagi tayo agasawa. Okay lang ko rewan ka sa sawa yung apo dito. Bumulot kayo pa lang ti sa bali. Kapag luka iti mata sikat ina makikita ragsak nga di agpatingga iti ina marik na no sikaw mapukaw di mapuutan asumipnge iti aglawlaw singa diragsak na daytoy miyako sikat buliwan na daytoy puso sipot pa'y singmang baygap aniya taragsak na rin na sikalaeng pagtuyusan awan patinggana saan kumat adumteng iti aldaw mapukaw di ayat mo kanya kain na sa patay awag sa bali dito'y din na bumauyos man to'y biyang ko siksikan tulae dito'y pusok biyang ko singa diragsak na daytoy biyang ko sikat liw-liwana daytoy puso sipot pa'y singmang baygap aniyan naragsak na rin na sikalaeng pagtuyusan awan patinggana wen sikalaeng diin lang ay ayaten sikalaeng diin na iba't patay diragsak na daytoy biyako sikat liw-liwana daytoy puso sipot pa'y singmang baygap aniya taragsak na rin na sikalaeng pagtuyusan awan patinggana sikalaeng pagtuyusan awan patinggana yan sa tatapos yung request po nga wen sikalaeng. Yan, so kantaan min ang po request yung 8-8. Kaya yung may po. That was us for all. Pagmulat ng mata, pagising sa umaga, ayunat ang kamay, bumangon na sa kama. Kung inantok pa, nung ulan yung daga. Kung wala pa rin, huwag mo nang pilitin. Buksan na lang ang TV at sa radyo ay hanapin. Kung nagpag-isip na nakakagising, one plus one equals two plus two. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Paglilin ang uncle. Ayan, so, basa ka lang apo dito message manin apo ni Sir Makmak. Manipod apo ti Canada. Ayan, so, maragsakan na apo dato yung message nata. Thank you, Duo Sweet Blend. Your music is truly a beautiful way of giving joy to everyone, even in the hardest times. Thank you so much po, Sir Makmak, manipod ti Canada. Ti panang-appreciate you po ti performance mi tata. Thank you po. Agyam-yaman kami nga kinanayon, sir, for the second time around. Ayan, so da kami apo ti nang kanta. Di si bibiyag pay po ni Tatangda. Kasta nga talaga apo ti biyag. Adati mon una, adati maud-udi. Ngim habang nga adda tayo dito irabaw ti daga nga pinanswa ni apo, agubra tayo apo tinasayaat. Kastyan. One. And of course, happy birthday, Auntie Mary Ann. Sino ba sa Auntie Mary Ann? Wow, happy birthday po ng Mary Ann. Sir Mama from Canada, thank you so much po. Thank you. Yan, tumakbay na yan Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Agan tatay amin na po. Happy birthday to you. Ma'am Mary Ann, happy birthday po. Yan, sasapin na kumata na sa loob natin kalakama. In Jesus' name, amen. Sir Makmak from Canada, thank you so much po. Another piece for all po. O isa layo ni Ma'am Mary Ann. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I've seen the love light in your eyes, and to wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Yan, so kanagiti kakabsat, kaanakan po ni Ma'am Mary Ann, isalayo po isuna. Request na po. It's time to go home now, and I got an aching head, so I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her, as it turned out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Sige lang po. Kadagiti-kahit na po nga mangisala kay Ma'am Mary Ann, apan dalagtan ko dito nga. Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. dance for all. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life and dreams of yesterday. Kahit ko'y maaya, diyan kong agaya, uray ka anuman, siksikan tulandaan, ganasan biar ku siksikan, kahit ko'y maaya, diyan kong agaya. I can't stop, I can't stop loving you, baby. I made up my mind to live in memory, such an old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life and dreams of yesterday. And once again on keyboard, my one and only Mr. Gaga. Thank you so much, Lord. We're together again. Yan, sunod na dumaapo ko, mapampansin ko sa tay lang mabuo, no dati mamatayan, wenno anya niya. Pero habang kunakon apo tatay, habang nabiyag tayo, agkakadwa kayon apo ti pamilya. Yo tapno kas na makita, ken mariknada apo ti ayat ti tunggal maysa. Ayan, yes po. Ayan, so, kaya't may kumapay apo nga alaon, day extension yung maysa, ngayon, adayo pa'y gamin apo, ti pagawidan na, jay Batak City, Ilocos Norte, apo, ken, nasapa kami pa'y apo nga dapapanan na, so, Sir Marlon, ken ti pamilya Alviar, dawatan mi apo nga, hamin alaon po, jay, may isang extension ta, medyo nabannog kami na apo, ta diretso gamin Tito Carmi. Ayan, so, awatan da kami apo, ken baring agkakadwa to'y mananapom numaminsan. Hanlang nga sangit, no dikat puros ragrag saklat ta apo. Wan, so dawatan mi apo di pan nakaawat yo, nga medyo hamin nga kayan apo nga talaga. Pagpasensyaan da kami po. Okay po, so dito na po ti last song mi, Sir Marlon, pasensya nga talaga. Ken Ma'am Mary Ann, pasensya po. Ken pagyamanan mi ti panang appreciate siya po ti performance mi tata numampay han kami na po mga makapag-extend. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend, Miss Joanna Macaranas, all the way from Batak City, Ilocos Norte. And Mr. and Mrs. Carda Duo from Santa Cruz. Ayan, so may po ta agsalamat kami. Last song ni po, requested song. And of course, katigiti viewers tayo apo, pag yamanan, mitiganayan nyo, nga palagan anos, nga mambuy-buya ti live ni po. Thank you so much. God bless po. Ingat po kayong lahat. Ni apo ti mang subat, ti kinasing po dyo, ken kinaimbag nyo po kada kami. And once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Mary Ann!
Pagbawi ng buhay, may darating na araw. Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lubog at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maaasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kay tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y kaibigan samahan. Salamat, kaibigang walang kapatid. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayan, so kanta tayo amin apo. Happy birthday to you. And of course, happy anniversary,
Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Lorena.
Yan. Yan, happy anniversary to Mr. and Mrs. Jenny Lorena. Ayan, so naimbang na oras amin amo kada kayo. Thank you so much, Sir Makna from Canada. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Mary Ann, Ken, Alviar family. Amin amo kada dito. Thank you so much. And we are the Sweet Blend Band. Miss Jana Macaranas, all the way from Batac City, Ilocos Norte, and Mr. and Mrs. Starda. Zulu, thank you so much. Thank you, Apo. Kadagiti nagbuya. Tata, hamin inala. Apo, extension ko. Nabasa tibado kun nalipatak nagalati. Te extra nga bado. Yan. So, i-shout out ko man Apo. Kadagiti nagbuya. Ala? Hindi pa giwayot ko. Ay, thank you, Marlon. One. Thank you. Ninang Jonah Reyes. Ma'am Juliet Taliedo, Ma'am Minda Quitoras, Sir Richard Olinares, Ma'am Mary Ann Kalimlim, Sir Don F. Kilalames, Ma'am Marisa Laag Agaluos, Ninang Maya Pungan, Sir Ma'am Clarita Ferrer, Tita Eugene Tijada, Tita Rose Agustin, Ma'am Sonia Ganyo de la Cruz, Sir Amor Ganotisi, Ninang Luz Biminda Guerrero, Ma'am Donna Lianes Bisaya, Tita Minda Balesteros, Ma'am Lydia Natura, Ma'am Rita Olbap, Ma'am Letty Bilawak Baptista, Ma'am Loli Narag Madriaga, Sir Mac Ramos, Ma'am Irene Ramirez, Mother Gina Snooki, Ma'am Julie Lambinicio, Ma'am Sheila Calob, Tita Rose Agustin. Ayan man. Ninong Ador Gabuat, Mama Heidi Agtarap, Ma'am Rowena Joy Navarro Corpus, Sir Ruben Nartates, Ading Chester Casalio, Kenny, Ma'am Ederlina Toreno, and Ma'am Marina Rojas. Thank you. Tita Zenny Mukbel. Thank you. Nabanog ako. Sige na po. Thank you.